Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi Note 14S, and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. So to get started, you will want to swipe down from the top of your screen twice, which will bring down a bunch of your toggles, and one of them will be the power saving mode. For me, it is visible on the first page right over here, but you might find it on second page as well. Anyway, once you see it, you can just simply tap on it. It gives you a pop-up that battery saver is not running, and that's about all it gives you in terms of information. But if you see your device behaving in a weird way that you might not be used to, and you don't want it to do that because it wasn't doing that, for instance, things like notifications might be delayed, just know that this is most likely power saving mode, doing power saving things. Now, once you're done with this mode and you want to turn it off, you can just find the toggle again, tap on it once more, and obviously this will turn it off and revert all the changes that were happening in the background. So, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.